Now to the latest on the so-called suitcase murder trial, 4 years in the making. There was another holdup in Orange County Court today as Sarah Boone's defense attorneys had concerns with testimony during the state's rebuttal. West 2's Justin Shecker live at the courthouse with where the trial stands right now. Justin?
Hey there, Jesse. This afternoon, Sarah Boone and her boyfriend's tumultuous relationship is on full display. Prosecutors have been showing the jury body-worn camera videos from deputies responding to their Winter Park home before the night George Torres Jr. died in that zipped suitcase. The state is also disputing Boone's battered spouse syndrome defense. During their rebuttal, prosecutors called on a forensic psychiatrist to testify on day 5 of the suitcase murder trial. Dr. Tanya Werner conducted a 2-hour court-ordered evaluation of Sarah Boone in jail on October 2nd.
My opinion was that she did not give me enough information to diagnose her with post-traumatic stress disorder at the time that I evaluated her at the jail.
For 2 days this week, Boone's attorneys presented their case that Boone acted in self-defense when she went to bed while George Torres Jr. was still in the zipped suitcase.
Did you ever believe he could die in there?
No.
Boone told the jury on Tuesday she was terrified her boyfriend would harm her if he got out. Then on Wednesday, psychologist Dr. Julie Harper told the jury Boone suffered from battered spouse syndrome at the time of her boyfriend's death.
Yes, she had the patterns ingrained in her behavior that would be typical of a victim who's responding to traumatic events in a predictable way. So that would fit that.
This afternoon, Boone's attorney James Owens grilled Dr. Werner about her evaluation of Sarah Boone.
Would you agree that Sarah Boone suffers from battered spouse syndrome?
I do.
Would you agree that battered women's experiences affect their perception of imminent danger?
They can.
Would you agree that victims of repeat violence may fear death in a situation others would not?
They may.
But Dr. Werner also told the jury she doesn't believe Boone's behavior while Torres Jr. was in the suitcase was consistent with that of a battered spouse.
Based on my interview with her and the way that she described the incident to me, and that they were laughing and having a good time, it didn't play into relaying any kind of triggers or any kind of trauma.
And the judge noted a juror needs to go home by 5:30 today, so this trial will continue tomorrow with closing arguments from both sides. The judge will then outline instructions for the jury to begin deliberating whether to convict Sarah Boone of second-degree murder. Live outside the Orange County Courthouse, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.